The best Discord servers for GTA 5. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find the best Discord servers for GTA 5. So let us dive right into it. So the first server that we'll be looking at is called Heist Buddies. Now you can find this by the way that I will show you later on. So to join this, you'll simply need to just answer a few questions. So here what you'll need to do is not a bot, tap on next, simply choose the platform that you play your GTA on. So I'll just tap on next, just go through these questionnaires, tap on finish, and then you will be in the server. So just tap on finish and there we go. Now as you can see right here, there is a chat group, there is off topic section. You can even join the voice calls here. You can, yeah, you can basically play your GTA with new friends that you make here. So this is the first server. Now I'll teach you guys the way that you can find new servers. So all you need to do is simply search for Discord on your Google Chrome or any web browser. Head over to Discord, and here all you need to now do is head over to discord.org and search for GTA 5. After you tap on search, you should find the servers here. So let me do that again. So simply search for GTA 5 and there we go. Now there are a lot of servers available here. You can just filter out the one that you want and the one that suits you the most and then start playing from there. And yeah, that is basically it for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.